Raw, flow. Pure, selection. Outer, removed. Core, revealed.
Check the throughput on the new batch. The efficiency is outstanding.
Yes, the automated scrapers are performing above target today.
White, gold.
Looks perfect for the next stage.
Keep an eye on the moisture levels.
Adjusting the flow now. Everything is stable.
Crush, phase.
Pressure looks stable at 200 psi.
Flow rate is consistent. We're clear for extraction.
Liquid, birth.
Good. Let's maintain the flow rate and check the yield in 5 minutes.
Smooth, blend.
Looks stable at 400 CP. Temperature is holding steady.
Silk, texture. Cold, balance.
Optimal range achieved.
Confirmed. Logging the batch data now.
Final, flow. Pure, fill.
Slightly off on the last batch.
Let me recalibrate the sensors.
Identity, mark.
Looks good from here. Angle is perfect.
Pack, ready.
By adjusting this parameter here.
Yes, that looks optimal for the current batch.
The alignment is perfect according to the readout.
It's secure. We are good to go.
Secure, load.
Scan complete on row 3.
All right, moving to the staging area.
Ready, dispatch. Trace, locked.
Shall check it up?
Journey begins. Endless stream.
Real-time data looks optimal. We are clear for the next phase.
Perfectly crafted and chilled for freshness. Our commitment to quality assurance ensures consistency in every carton.
Pure essence. Cycle begins.
Clear for docking.
Full circle. Final form. Quality sealed.
Yes, the numbers are all green across the board.
Pure cream.